Greetings for all students in our class. International Program of State Polytechnic of Malang. We're going to learn about Microsoft Excel, and today I'm going to explain to you the basic mathematics using Excel and also basic statistics, and those both materials will be topic for our next quiz. Well, first you need to open your Excel and then type the document. Here I have X as my first number and then Y as my second number. For basic mathematics, we have X plus Y. Usually, if we are using Excel, we can simply just put equal sign and then click your first number and then put add sign or positive sign and then click your second number, and then we have the result. 4 plus 8 is 12. Or if the data is located side by side like this, we also can use sum as I type here. So equal sign and then sum, and then drag or plug number that you want. Then you want to sum it for all things, just drag it to the bottom. And then finish. The second thing is negative, something minus something. Should be, for example, X minus Y. So equal sign, first number minus second number, enter. So 4 minus 8 should be negative 4. And then if I think this way is easier to copy formula to the bottom, just double click, click, finish. The next thing is times, X times Y. So equal sign X and then times using a little star here. So times, it's located on your keyboard in key H, in the same key as H. So press shift and then H. We have star and then click your second number, or we can use multiply. So multiply and then 1, 8, and 2. Yes, this one is also working. And then copy again. Right, the next thing is fraction. X divided by Y should be equal sign X, and then press slash on your keyboard and then Y. Yes, and then double click. The next thing is X squared, or it's not only square but also we can count it in the power of 2, 3 or stuff. So X squared should be equal sign X and then put in the power of 2, because square is X times X. Should be like this. How if X in the power of 3? So this one is square. How if we change it into 3? So X, it means X times X times X in the power of 3 like this. How? So it means 4 times 4 should be 16 times 4. Yeah, so it's work for not only square but also in the power of 3, 4 and stuff. Alright, and then square root of X. So SQRT and then click your X first number and then we have the square root of 4 and stuff. But I think, let me try. I think square root also mean in the power of negative 2. So perhaps I can try it right now. Suddenly I remember whether it's, yeah, let's check it whether it's work or not. Square root should be in the power of minus 2. No, I think this one is not working. Right. So square root is sqrt, and then we click number. Yes, finish. And then see, we have some decimals here. So we need to round to a number, to a specific number digit. So we can use round. We can type it round, and then which number that we are going to round, just click this, and then how many digits after decimal, just put 2, then enter. Because why we put the 2 decimal, but why it's not showing? Yes, if you still wondering why it's not showing, you can press this increase decimal. Oops. And then try to drag it. Alright, for this number we have 2.74. Yes, because we round it. What's happen if I add more decimal here? See the number still 7.94 and then 0, because we already round it. And round also, besides that, we also have round up or round down. So this one only for round, and then for round up, round up. So we can round it up as how many digits, like make it 1. So everything is going up for 1 decimal, in 1. So see, if in the beginning we have 7.93, because we round it up to another one decimal, see, only 1 decimal, then it become 8. What's happened with 2.64? It, because it's round up, always up, it become 2.7. And how about round down? So we have those 3 round, okay, round, only round, down and up. Let's try this one. So use, and then how many digits? That's 1 digit, and then it will make it down into 1 digit. 1 digit after comma, yeah, the decimal. See, we have 7.93, but it's not because 8 anymore, but become 2.9. But this one 2.6, right? And then 2.3, yes, down, and then this one become 5. Alright, that's about round. And then count the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. So it's also we use it to collect a set of data, but not count how many the total of this. No, only how to count how many data appear, how many data exist in our set of data. So let's check count and then block, and then close bracket and enter. Yes, what's happened if we drag it? It become lower because we are not added one to another, but only count how many number. In the beginning we have here, because we blocked those data, so we have 10 numbers. What's happened in our second row? Because we drag it and then the selected data is also moving, Then we have 9 data and stuff. Yeah, that is a function of count. And then max, find the biggest number of set of data. So I want to know which number are the biggest from our X column. So press equal sign and then max, open bracket, and then choose your data. Alright, so on X column, on X, A column here, yes, we have 81 as our biggest number. And how about minimum? The lowest number between those data is 4. And how about average? Yeah, we are going to find average of or mean of statistic data of our X or first number in our Excel. But you see here, because we move our worksheet to the right, see, column A is disappear. I wanna put column A and B always exist, always appear in our sheet, although we move our Excel to the right. So what you need to do, just click, because we want to keep this, and then press cell, and then I want to keep this column and then this rows. Yes, so I need to click a cell that exactly on the limit between column and rows I wanna take. See, I wanna rows 1, 2, and 3 and 4. And then the column that I want to keep is A and B. So I need to choose exactly the limit between those two. It should be here. C5. Click here your cursor on cell C5 and then go to fill and then free space and then click this. Alright, and what's happened if we move our worksheet? Yes, we still have column A and B on our worksheet. Continue again, we are going to find continue or arithmetic mean between X, data X. So please press average, equal sign and then average. You can do this and then don't forget to press tab or press open bracket by your own and then block your data, close bracket and enter. So the average of our data is 29.9. And also median is the number in the middle of our set data. If we sort it from lowest to biggest, what's number in the middle of the data? So median, and the same thing, block it. Yeah, I thought I write mean before on whiteboards. No, I mean median. So today you're learning basic mathematics and also basic statistics. Please check it again in your house because we will have quiz related with basic mathematics and statistics using Excel on our next meeting on Tuesday morning. Right, later I will make another video related with function of if and lookup. Alright, make sure to check my video. See you.